everyone, Pokemon897 here with another video today. Yes, I'm making another video again with my friends. So anyways, this video is about my dens. I'm doing a den tour, plus my animals I have to go. So, let's get started. We have a small house. It's a bit decorative, but not that decorative. The diamond has the coffee machines that have, which I'll be wondering why the coffee machine is not around, but I will tell you about that. It's pretty much like a dining room with a nice outside place. You should also dine outside. The next one we have is the limited edition water park den. You can only get it in the summer. That's the only time you can get this den. It's during the summertime, so I bought it while I could. I have the den. I can't get down the slab time. It's the slide. But anyways, the next den I have is the castle den. Of course, the den known as the party den. Of course, I kind of rearranged it, but the food is still in here. And there's some beds up here just in case you want to sit down. Is the restaurant den. It's a simple den that has a few next to it. It's not that big. I might find a restaurant and make an actual restaurant out of it. And stuff. Next I have is the hot dog which is only limited to usually when I have a township, you'll hear the same music play out there. Which means it's Halloween, which means they will be selling these dens to Halloween. Plus the items in the dens, they are bound to Halloween. Next thing we have, of course, is the treehouse den. Next thing we have is the treehouse den. The tree, fire pits. A nice one in the living room here. On the way top bunk is my room. Yes, don't have to have a bed just and the next thing we have is the potato. Small little living room, so keep great. And then we have another five up here, my smoothie machine. And then we have is Cosmo's Den, which is currently available in the diamond shop. We have diamonds, which I made a small side place into. And then my small gingerbread house, which is limited edition only in winter time in Ghana. Usually when you go to Ghana, you'll hear like a winter music that has some little bit of cheat tones in it too. That means it's available. And is this day with currently available? This game is available in the diamond shop for $5. We have is the mushroom hut, which I think is only available during the fall time. So I didn't completely decorate this den that much yet. I will get back to it when I'm ready to decorate the rest of it. It's only available in the fall time. You can buy it as any normal den. Next thing we have the Snowfall, which is only available in the winter time. I actually haven't small house den, which is supposed to actually be a salon. I haven't fully got the salon made yet because I still need to get the pools out to make us baths, but for some reason I don't exactly see the pool in the shop. It's like they're only available in the summertime. So strange thing, I think it's pretty strange to me. Let's go ahead and talk to my favorite dance the treehouse den because I like my little small little comfy room upstairs. Let's see what I look like into it. Let's head upstairs. Okay, let's head over. Now it's time for you to show me animals. First, my very first and main channel animal is actually Master Major Pride. All we have is Master Major Pride, also known as the main symbol of the channel. This animal we have is the other main Master Major Pride, which is a wolf. He's just really a red and white wolf that's supposed to be something. The animal I have is Medieval Rowdy Master. He's actually a fox. Well, he's actually supposed to be an evil fox, but I don't know what he was supposed to be in this case. Just made him a black and gray fox with red eyes, which is kind of creepy, but it's kind of worth it. It's not his fault. The next animal I have is Emperor Icy Ivy. Well, you know, Michael Jackson, but I didn't really get that. He's just supposed to be a tuxedo. My next animal I have is Daredevil Major Master. He's a bunny. He's basically supposed to be like a headmaster, fluffy bunny type thing. Oh, he's supposed to be a medicine bunny. That's close. The next animal I have is Medieval Wingclaw, who's my cheetah. After I obtained my cheetah back in December, he basically did a major change. First, he looked like sort like a master, then he wore the ice outfit, and now he ends up with this. I might put him back into the ice outfit. I just might keep him in that. This is Wingclaws. He's basically the tiger. Basically, the cheetah is supposed to be made after him. Like ever get a snow leopard, it basically be the same thing. I actually want a snow leopard. I got an Arctic wolf, and I actually like Master, so yeah. The next animal is Sergeant Major Bells, which is my deer. Basically, since they just released the deer back out in February, I think it was. I basically got one as soon as I could and stuff. So he's just basically the deer. The last animal is Infinity Mayor Snow, the horse. Yeah, I mean he's not that decorated, but I basically made him this case, not Rainbow Dash, you can see a pony, you can see like a pony, a Pegasus in this case, but yeah. Okay, now a small major tip, if you haven't noticed, Master actually kind of looks like Red, the Pokemon trainer from Pokemon Gold that you find like up in Mount Silver, basically. That's what I got the first name for Pokemon from. So I got my half name for Pokemon from. It's supposed to be based off to like Red Pokemon trainer. Okay, this is our video. I did tour in my animal tours. So next time I'll most likely be having to show you guys the next thing. So I will see you guys later. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.